Hey guys, it's me. Good morning. Just decided to stop in, decided to take a walk. Yep, been shedding some tears. Nothing sad, just kind of thinking and being grateful. And today I decided to come on down here to the beach where I was able to walk to. I just walked down the street to the beach. And who would have thought that little old me would have been able to do this, would have this as a life, as a lifestyle? And I thank God for it. Like, who would have thought? Who would have thought that I would be walking down the street and end up at the beach? Who would have thought, little old me, that this would be my life? Who would have thought? I'm so grateful. I should have bought a blanket or a chair. I could have even driven, but I kind of wanted to just walk down. But I could have bought a chair, driven, and I want to carry the chair while walking. Oh, this grass is wet. Ilk. But I just wanted to share a little bit with you guys. As I was walking, I was just thinking and thanking God, like, just for his faithfulness. God is so good, guys. Just be consistent. Ooh, be consistent, be humble, be grateful. No matter how dark it gets, ooh, just be intentional. Be intentional. No matter how low the valleys get, be consistent. Because after a while, the purpose that you were designed for, you'll walk it out. You'll definitely walk it out. Just be consistent. Please be consistent. Don't give up. Don't give up on yourself. Been there, done it. Don't give up on your dreams, your aspirations. Don't. Because I'm telling you, it'll pay off. It'll pay off. This is just so surreal to me. This life that I'm now living is so surreal. Whew. It's kind of like, wait, is this like for real? Is it real? It is, guys. This is real. It's real. This is my life now. And I owe it all to God. Anyone who knows me, like in real life, knows like the real Monique. Yeah, they know. The one voted counted most likely to fail. The most likely not to succeed. Yeah. This is my life now. And it feels good. It feels great. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Yep. All right, I'm gonna come back down a little further. This is actually a neighborhood. I live like maybe 10 minutes from here walking. No, maybe 15 walking. But when you say you're going down the street to the beach, this is what I'm vlogging. I'm sorry. This is what I mean. I'm going down the street to the beach. Like, this was the end of the block. The beach. Yeah. I'll be back, guys. I'm trying to get down here to that. Whew. I want to go over there. See that white house type? I think it's a marina or something. That's where I'm trying to get to. Right there. I'm gonna try to see what that is. All right, y'all. As y'all see, I ain't nowhere near it. This ain't far. But here's a bench. But I'm not gonna sit at this one. I'm gonna go on down to that one. Guys, look. This is so cool right now. But the only thing, like, I wore my slides because I thought it would be more sand. There's people down there, like where I came in at. They're down there on the sand, but I'm not gonna do it because it's too close to that water. Yeah. So I'll be back again, y'all. Like, yo, this is crazy. Like, it's so surreal. And like I said, there's the houses. Like, it's a real neighborhood right here. I personally would not want to live down this area because when it's hurricane season, the storm, so this definitely floods. And I'm so sure those houses over there definitely get affected. So sure. So I personally would not want to live down here. Oh, guys, I'm actually getting closer to not that white house, but this other white thing down here. So I'm getting there. It's a process. Yeah, this is pretty cool, y'all. This is pretty cool. What y'all doing? I'm sorry, I was so wrapped up into sharing, I guess, that I didn't ask how you guys' morning was going. Are you guys at work today? Or are you off? Are you retired? What's your plans for today? Today is Wednesday. It's still early. And like, what do you guys have planned? Even for the rest of the day. If your day has started already. And you've been up like for a while. I think I slept until like 9. So what's the plans for the rest of the day? It's not too many people out here. It's people out here, but not a lot. See, I should have brought my chair. Oh boy is right there reading a book and enjoying the peacefulness. Uh-oh, y'all. I don't see no more benches. So if I get tired, how am I going to rest? Y'all know a girl will get winded. I'm closer to the water now, as you guys can see. Guys, I just feel so full right now. Like, full of thankfulness. Hi. Like, full of gratefulness. Oh, it's white sand down there, guys. I'm gonna walk down there. That sand down there is white. See that little boat-like thingamajig? That's where I'm gonna go to. And I'm definitely not going over there to that house thing where I started out. Because now it's going in a different direction. I thought, well, from back there, it looked like it was close to this boat thingamajig here. But it's not. I don't even know how to get over there to where that looks like a dock or something. I'm gonna end this video right here and then I'm gonna come back, okay?